Hi, Chess Kid teachers and coaches. This tutorial is about Gold versus Basic Enterprise kids and how to assign Gold seats to groups. Gold membership access in Enterprise accounts works the same way it does for regular Chess Kid accounts. You may have Gold kids or Basic kids, and if you have a paid membership, you have the ability to enable and disable the Gold access for a kid. However, there's one big difference. You must first assign Gold seats to your groups. This means that if your large organization, say a school district, has purchased memberships for each of their schools, they can assign a limited number of Gold seats to each school, which the school can then control. At the top of your organization page, you'll see the total number of Gold seats you have available and how many of them are currently being used as Gold. Next to each group, you'll see how many seats it's been assigned and how many of those Golds are actually attached to a kid. Note the group's number of seats displays all the seats at each level under it. It's a total of the seats in that group and all of its subgroups. To distribute Golds to a group, click into the group, then click the Info tab at the top of the page. This shows how many seats can be assigned or removed. There are two key points to remember when working with Gold seats. First, the seats are assigned to groups, not to individual kids. So if a kid has Gold access in one group, but is moved to another group, they may lose their Gold access if there aren't any available Golds in the new group. Secondly, in order to redistribute Gold seats to another group, the seats must first be reclaimed by the group above it. In this example, if I'd like to add another 5 Golds to the Archway Elementary group, I must first take 5 unused Golds from another group, remove them, which drops them back into the main Awesome Chess organization bucket at the top, and then they're ready to assign back down. This gives the owner complete control over who has access to Gold memberships at each group level. Turning the Gold membership on and off for a kid works the same way it always has. Click into your group. Make sure you're on the Kids tab at the top of the page and use the membership badge icon to the left of the kid's username to turn the Gold on and off. Now it's time to fill your Gold seats. The next tutorial describes how to create kid accounts and what to do if you're transitioning from a Gold membership type account and would like to keep your existing students in your new groups. See you there!